This question is asking for the value of b. It's a pretty straightforward question, but it involves an algebraic move that is really important for the harder SAT math questions. So first thing we'll do is just distribute. So we'll have 2x times 3x is 6x squared, and then that's plus 10x, and then plus 9x, and plus 15. We're going to combine like terms here, so we'll have 6x squared plus 19x plus 15. That all equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And here comes the important move. So we are just going to match up these coefficients. So we can say that 6 equals a, 19 equals b, and 15 equals c. In this case they want b, which is 19. Here's another question that requires you to match up the coefficients. In this case they want to know the value of ab. Our first step is just to multiply everything out here on the left hand side. You can see I did that over here, and I'm just starting to combine like terms. So we have an x squared here, we have another one over there, and we have an x here and another one over here. But I'm going to combine like terms in a little bit different way. So I'm going to kind of group the coefficients. So I've got a 15 and a minus ab, so I'm going to do 15 minus ab times x squared. And then I've got a 4a and a minus 3b, so I'll do 4a minus 3b, that's all times x. And then I've got a plus 12. And that's all equal to this. So that equals 20x cubed plus negative 9x squared plus negative 2x plus 12. And if you write it out this way, it's a lot easier to match up the coefficients. So first I'm going to figure out what a is. I can tell here that 5a equals 20, so a must equal 4. And then I could pick either one of these relationships. I'll just go ahead and do this one. So 15 minus ab equals negative 9. And we know that a is 4, so 15 minus 4b equals negative 9. Negative 4b equals negative 24. And that means b equals 6. And if we did this one, it would come out to 6 also. So if you want to know ab, a is 4, b is 6, so that means ab is 24. Here's another one with this trick of matching up the coefficients. So at first I'm just going to multiply this out. So I'll have abx squared plus 7ax plus 2bx plus 14. And I'm going to group these. So I'm going to do abx squared plus 7a plus 2b times x plus 14. And that equals 15x squared plus cx plus 14. So from this we can see that ab equals 15 and 7a plus 2b equals c. Now we also had this other piece of information up here that a plus b equals 8. So you have to think, what are two numbers that add to 8 and multiply to 15? And they're 3 and 5. But we don't know which is which, so we have to plug them in twice. That means the answer could either be 7 times 3 plus 2 times 5, or it could be 7 times 5 plus 2 times 3. This one is 31, that one is 41, so the answer is D. Here's another one where matching coefficients is really helpful, although it's pretty hard to tell at the beginning that that's what's going on. So you can see that this has a denominator of ax minus 2, and so does this, but this one doesn't. So in order to get a common denominator, we're going to multiply this by ax minus 2 over ax minus 2. So we'll have negative 8x minus 3 all times ax minus 2. And when you distribute that all out, you're going to get negative 8ax squared plus 16x minus 3ax plus 6. And now that it has a common denominator, you can go ahead and combine that minus 53 there. So I'm going to group these, so I'll have negative 8ax squared plus 16 minus 3ax minus 47. And you can see that matches this minus 47. And that's probably the point in the problem where you'd realize that you were going to have to match coefficients. So then we can just use this. Negative 8a equals 24. And that means a equals negative 3. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can also find us on TikTok and Instagram. And if you need more practice with the most common ACT and SAT math problem types, visit Mathchops.com. We've got an unlimited 7-day free trial. Cancel anytime inside the app just by clicking a button.